And not only does this fabric help keep us cool, it's also scratch resistant as well and very, very durable. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Cooler Master Caliber R2C gaming chair. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here's a look at all of the package contents. Check it out. You can see everything that's included. We have right here our product literature with our warranty information, and we have our instruction manual walking us through everything we need to know to get this chair assembled in 5 easy steps. Then you may notice right here we have a hardware kit as well. It does come with gloves, so we can have the white glove treatment here, and your soft gamer hands won't get any boo-boos or anything else. And then you can see all the rest of our chair components. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything assembled. Quick note if you're wondering, hey, where are all the screws and washers? Don't worry, they already come installed. You can see them on the chair right here. So whatever step you're on and what you're trying to assemble, just take note, you can see the screws are gonna be right there where you need them. All right, check it out. You can see we got the chair fully assembled right here. Everything looks great. Super quick and simple to set up. I'd say take you maybe 10 to 15 minutes at the most. You may notice up at the top right here, we got our armrests that are fully adjustable. So there's our max height position and our minimum height position. We can also expand these in or out depending on our preference as well. You'll be doing that when you're assembling the chair. You'll be able to slide it back and forth to what you prefer. Other than that, you may notice down here we have the ability to initiate our nap sequence. So we can go ahead and we can recline this thing all the way back. Maybe you're looking to hide from a coworker at work or your boss, something like that. You'll be able to do that with this chair and just slide right under your desk or cubicle. Other than that, down here we got our flap that allows us to adjust the height. So you can see we're gonna go all the way down. That's our lowest height setting. You can get an idea for that right here. I'm 5'9". And then you can see we have our maximum height setting right here as well, and everything's working great. Obviously, you could settle somewhere in between if you want. We have our caster wheels as well, so really easy to move the chair around, and we're on carpet and it's not having any issues at all. Everything's really comfortable. We got splash proof and dust proof fabric, and it aids in your cooling anywhere between 1 and 2 degrees Celsius of additional cooling over a traditional chair. So our Caliber chair is equipped with the removable head pillow. You can see it just slides right in place. So no buckle or anything on the back. Very simple to remove or keep as needed. Then further down, you can see we have our built-in lumbar support that is removable, and we can slide it up or down depending on our preference and what fits us best. But if we don't want to have it on, we can just unbuckle it from the back side and store it away until we want to use it in the future. We got our really cool Cooler Master logo and branding all throughout with our purple stitching. It looks so sleek. And not only does this fabric help keep us cool, it's also scratch resistant as well and very, very durable. So we have to talk. Things just aren't working out. And it's not you, it's me. So it wouldn't be a gaming chair review without actually doing some gaming in the chair. So we're sitting here getting ready to play some Call of Duty and really comfortable. You may notice as I pull up to the desk, you can see we have plenty of clearance and room right here for the chair to go up a little bit further, or obviously we could go even lower, but I'm really at a comfortable height for my build. But I do want to point out too, I've really appreciated having the ability to actually point these and pivot these in as well. So not only do the armrests adjust up and down with this chair, but with the ability to pivot these in or out. So depending on your situation, what you're after, you might enjoy having that additional flexibility with this chair. Now let's go ahead, let's fire up our game. Let's get him! Yay! All about the gaming chair. What the heck? I knocked him down! Let's go, baby! We got him! What the heck? So overall, I've had a great experience with this chair. This is coming from somebody that's currently using the Cooler Master R1. I really like our Caliber R2C. This is a fantastic chair, and it does have some noticeable upgrades even from the R1. Obviously, we have our additional cooling, but we also have our premium look and finish to this chair. You can see our purple stitching, which matches the Cooler Master logo. Overall, just really a nice chair that looks great. I really like the aesthetics that we have here and the additional functionality like the armrests that we pointed out earlier. Other than that, if you're a gamer like myself, maybe a sweaty tryhard, you're definitely gonna need a chair that has additional cooling. I've been gaming with my jeans and hoodie on, and I feel great, very comfortable still. Now, with that being said, you will still get warm. Like, I've been sitting in the chair for a while, so my thighs and legs feel warm, but they're not hot or sweaty or anything like that, which is a good thing. And with this fabric, with your Dorito fingers and anything else you may have, you'll be able to easily clean it, and you won't have to worry about having, something scratch or tear or rip the fabric. It's very, very durable. So if you're not even a gamer, maybe you're a content creator, you're looking for a chair that's super comfortable to have for a prolonged period of time spent on your computer, definitely check out this chair. The lumbar support's great. You can adjust that or remove it. Then having that built-in pillow up top makes it really comfortable to stare at a screen for a very long time. Lastly, I want to point out, if you're really tall, so basically with this chair, if you're 5'11 and beyond, you're going to want to look at the X1 or the X1C from Cooler Master. That supports people up to 6'3". Again, 5'11 is going to be probably the max height you would want with this particular chair, but if you're taller than that, definitely look into the X1 or the X1C. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.